Tapalgar Memorial Park in Oakville with Timothy. Say hi, Timothy, to my vlog. This is what. The weather is so nice. So, see? Ganda ng weather. Mag-walking muna tayo tapos saka tayo kakain. Nakakuha kami ng bike. Dalawang bike. Habang bahay-bahay. May free yung bike. Marami yatang pwedeng mag-walk dito eh. Follow the numbers. Continue the reading story. The nurses need to have garden grow. Ngayon lang kami nakapunta dito. Sa park na to. Tapusin natin to. Follow the numbers. Here are the plants. So good. Number 5. Punta tayo sa number 6. Titingnan natin yung duck. Meron duck doon. Ayun oh. Oh no. May ano yan. May lake. Parang lake. Number 7. Maganda rin pala dito eh, no? Timothy, are you enjoying there? Ito, may lake. Oh. May mga duck daw. It's good to explore different park in Canada.
No, it's in that, that kind of area, because you know, with like the volleyball, and hopefully,
Ganda ng park. Maganda park dito, malinis. Yan.